Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the ultimate Support HYM-100QR HyperMount QR quick release laptop and device stand, and before we get started, the product link is in the description below. This stand is designed for musicians, DJs, streamers, and professionals who need a reliable, adjustable, and portable solution for laptops and devices during live performances or studio sessions. The design is rugged yet lightweight, built from durable materials to withstand heavy use while remaining easy to transport. The standout feature is the quick release mechanism, which allows you to mount and remove your laptop or device in seconds. This makes setup and teardown fast and efficient, especially in live environments where time is critical. The stand's adjustable arms and tray accommodate a wide range of laptops, tablets, and controllers, while the black finish adds a professional look that blends seamlessly into any setup. Performance is where the HyperMount QR shines. The stand provides stable support, minimizing vibration and movement even during energetic performances. Its multi-angle adjustability lets you position your device at the perfect height and angle, whether you're DJing, producing, streaming, or presenting. The sturdy construction ensures your gear stays secure, while the portability makes it ideal for traveling professionals who need reliable equipment on the go. Durability and convenience are key strengths. The heavy-duty build ensures long-term reliability, while the quick-release system saves time and effort. The adjustable design adapts to different devices, making it versatile across applications. The stand's portability allows you to use it in studios, on stage, or at home, adding to its practicality. Use cases are broad. For musicians and DJs, it's a secure platform for laptops and controllers during live sets. For streamers, it provides ergonomic positioning for devices during broadcasts. For professionals, it's a reliable tool for presentations and mobile workstations. For families, it's a versatile accessory for shared use across laptops and tablets. In summary, the ultimate Support HYM-100QR HyperMount QR combines rugged construction, quick-release convenience, and versatile adjustability in one professional stand. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.